Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
आज यसको बारेमा पढाइन्छ त्यसैको लागि हो।
जुन जुन सब्जेक्टको पढाइन्छ उही सब्जेक्टको फेरि पछाडिको ब्याकग्राउन्ड हालिदिन्छ
अभी देशभक्तिको बुक पनि चढ्न पनि कुनै नराम्रो कुरा छैन।
क्लासमा के हुन्छ कि पछाडि इआइपीमा हो गयो
ओए साबुन फ्ल्याग देखा त तेरो।
ओइ साबुन मेरो कस्तो
मैले त कतिमा बनाए।
मैले पनि कपमा बनाएको छु।
मेरै अनन्दिताले बनाउनु पर्दैन आफ्नै फोटो पछाडि छ देख।
बनाएको छु मैले पनि।
Good
afternoon, everyone. The presentation of yesterday. Okay, who wants to present at first?
Me. I will present first.
Okay, so you can now. Now is it clear?
I will present at third. Ma'am, I will present at third.
Yes,
Ma'am, I will present at first.
Now.
Ma'am, I will present at third.
Okay, all of you will get the chance. Please, okay, so now you can.
Ma'am, I will present at
If
third.
you want,
Okay.
now please start to present. That's mean of acid. Okay, please. Please mute yourself and let's listen your friend. Okay. Okay, Suyog. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Suyog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's get started.
Nepal flag is the most unique flag all over the world. It is the world's first non-quadrilateral flag. It looks like two mountains on a flat surface. It contains three colors on it. The outer face is covered with dark blue. The inner part is covered with red, and the sun and moon is covered with white color. The moon and sun are the pride known on our flag. That much, ma'am.
Oh,
Minister, okay, you show all of you. Can you show? Is there right?
Ma'am, what do you do? You told now. I can't listen you properly, ma'am.
I think it's proper.
Yeah.
Voice is so nice and it's coming so properly.
Now, how is my voice? Is it here?
Ma'am, it's like a little bit like it's not good.
It's a little better.
Ma'am, the color is
Clear.
no crimson. It should be crimson color, no in our flag. In our national
clear now?
flag. Not red.
Yeah, it's crimson. It's deep red or crimson.
Okay, next. Who wants to present?
Me.
Ma'am,
Red and
And me. Ma'am, I'm telling for the face.
Now.
Me. Ma'am,
yeah, just
Mummy.
hard.
me.
Me. Please. Please.
Dilasa now, please. Acha.
Dilasa after Dilasa me.
Who got the chance? Who got the chance?
Ma'am, I think they
Who
ma'am
got
said
the
Dilasa. I think
Oh,
ma'am
I
said
think-
Dilasa.
No, I don't think she said Dilasa. She said Pratishtha.
Ma'am, me. My turn.
Okay, Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, me. Ma'am, me.
Okay, let's keep saying behind.
Ma'am, I will be not first or not last. I will be first.
Ma'am, me no.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Please. Ma'am, may I? Please.
Start to
Ma'am,
present.
me. Huh?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am, me.
Now, please start to present.
Ma'am, who?
Ma'am, who should?
I'm not hearing ma'am's voice, so I was like, wait. Ma'am, please not me.
Ma'am, you can write in the chat, I think. Oh, sorry, chat is disabled.
It has been disabled. That is disabled.
Yeah. Ma'am, our time is going to finish.
No, it might clear or
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's not that clear.
Coming cut.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Ma'am, it's okay time, but it's not clear.
Yeah, it's okay, but not clear. You can
Like,
just
it's like,
Okay, now.
yeah, it's clear.
Now it
Okay.
is clear.
Please, please.
Okay, please. Dilasa, are you going to present?
No.
Dilasa. I have
Huh?
to.
What?
No.
Ma'am, what are you telling?
Dilasa.
Ma'am, me.
Me?
I told to you, Dilasa.
Please, Dilasa,
Oh,
start to present now.
Okay, I will present. Okay, so this is simply my
Ma'am,
flag.
okay.
So I will tell about our national flag. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Every country has its own national flag, and Nepal also has its own national flag. And Nepal has a unique flag than other countries. It's triangular in shape, and it's the only flag which is triangular in the world. And there are three colors in our national flag. They're blue, crimson, or you can even call deep red, and white. The blue color symbolizes peace and harmony. The red color symbolizes bravery, and there are even a moon and a sun in our national flag. The moon and the sun indicates that the Nepal will exist as long as the sun and the moon remain in the universe. Our national flag is our first pride.
Okay, thank you. Very well. Okay, Anandita.
Okay, ma'am.
Now yours. Now it's your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
This is my
Every
national flag.
Every and each country have their own national flag, but the Nepal's flag is unique of all. Because every national flag has 4 sides, but Nepal's national flag has only 3 sides. Nepal's flag has 1 moon and 1 sun. It has 3 colors, and that are red, blue, and white. And the Nepal's flag colors have also their own meaning. Example: white and blue color means peace, and red means the blood of those people who sacrifice their life for Nepal.
Okay.
And the moon and the sun shows that the hard work of the people of Nepal that work day and night to save our Nepal and develop our Nepal.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, thank you. Good. Okay, Somni Parazuli.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Somni.
Like the national song, every country has its own flag. The national flag represents the nation. Our national flag is unique because it is in triangular shape. The other countries' flag are in rectangles. Its background is crimson and the border is deep blue in color. The crimson deep red color represents brave and courageous nature of Nepalese people, whereas the blue color represents for peace-loving nature of Nepalese people. There is a symbol of moon and sun in our national flag. The meaning of the moon and the sun is to remain in the universe. Our national flag reflects our history, culture, and religion.
Okay, thank
I
you,
think that your
Somni.
last sentence.
So that one, you all have presented so well, and that one, I'm very happy that the students who are doing the assignment has done that before. Okay, please go on like this. Okay, now let's have a discussion about another national pride.
Ma'am, may I
Okay,
say
I
something?
will.
Ma'am, may I say
Okay, now
something?
let's have a discussion about another national pride of our
Ma'am, and
country.
what about
Okay,
Pratik?
Pratik.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I say something?
Okay, Dilasa.
Ma'am, yeah, you were saying that the number of people or the number of students who done their homework increased, but it happened because the yesterday's homework was really fun to do.
Ma'am, I don't get my turn.
Dilasa, what did you say? I did not listen properly. Please, once again, can you repeat?
It's not that important, but ma'am, you said that the number of students who done their assignment increased because yesterday was project work and we all love project work.
I did not get it properly. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say
Okay.
my-
Anyway, that what you please continue doing the assignment like this. Okay, the student who are doing the assignment, who did the assignment of yesterday has increased than our previous classes. So please give continuity to it. Okay. Okay, Pratik. Karki, are you there? Pratik? Pratik? Okay, Pratik, can you read about the national anthem?
National anthem. Every country has its own national anthem. The national anthem makes citizens feel proud of their country. It also gives the feeling of self-respect and identify of the country. The national anthem is sung at the beginning of the celebration of national days, national festivals, and
Yeah.
common programs of honor, games, and sports, etc. When the national anthem is sung, we have to stand up from our seat in disciplined way to pay respect to the nation.
Okay, thank you so much, Pratik. Okay, I think that what you got some ideas about the national anthem that yesterday we also discussed about it. So, and we also discussed about the meaning of the national anthem, yeah. And then the national anthem that describes that, or simply worded that it praises the Nepali sovereignty, yeah, the unity of the people. It also describes about the courage of the people, yeah, the courage of the warrior who fought for our country in the past, yeah. And it also describes the natural beauty of the Nepal, yeah. There are Nepal has divided into 3 physical region, yeah, hilly region, Himalayan region, and Tarai region, and we can see the varieties of the natural beauties, yeah. So it has also described the natural beauties of our country. Similarly, it describes the peace, cultural and biological diversities of the country. Yeah, in our country, there are many caste, religion, or the people who speak different languages. So there are varieties in the culture of our country, in the people of our country. Yeah. So it simply worded or describes the beauty of the country, the courage of the Nepalese, yeah, natural beauty, and the cultural diversity of our country. And it also says that Nepal is always ready by being together for the development of the country. Yes. Okay, are you getting? Do you have any confusion about the national anthem? Any confusion about it? Any confusion? Are you listening me or not? Okay. Do you have any confusion about the national anthem?
No, ma'am.
No? Then why? Okay. Can you say why should we proud of it? Why should we proud of the national anthem of our country? Do you have any idea? Any idea?
Ma'am, because it represents our
Nation.
Yeah,
with
yes.
that harmony and peace, love for the country.
It represented our country around the world. When our national anthem or national song is played or song, that what
We
it
should stand.
means, it gives the identity of our country, yeah. So it is the pride of us. And in which time this song or the national anthem is played or song, can anybody say?
Ma'am,
In
ma'am,
which
to give respect, ma'am, to give
Ma'am, in
respect to our
government
culture,
meeting,
ma'am, to just give respect to our national anthem.
Yeah, that's true. But in which time do we sing or do
Ma'am,
does
while
this?
ma'am,
when
ma'am,
the
while
big
festivals,
persons are going to meet,
Okay, please,
ma'am, national
when
day,
one of your
festivals.
friend is speaking, please mute yourself so that we can listen properly. Okay, who wants to say? Please, one of you.
Ma'am,
Raise your hand. Who wants to? Okay, Mega, do you want? Mega, in
Yes, ma'am.
time national anthem is song or played? Can you say? In which time?
ma'am.
In which time national anthem is sung or played?
When there is programs and festivals also sometimes.
Okay, Prince also
Ma'am, may I?
is also raising the hand. Prince, okay. Can you say in which time this
Ma'am,
time
when
the
the
national
big
anthem of Nepal
ma'am, when
is
the big persons or someone are going to do meeting, they play it and in school.
okay?
Ma'am, in some
It means
days.
the answers you told that they are correct. Before the beginning of any kind of program, yeah, any kind of formal program, Okay, the national days, yeah, like Democracy Day, Republic Day, yeah, before the celebration of these national days, or the before the celebration of national festivals, or any kind of sports or the programs, we sing national anthem by sitting from our seat in a disciplined way, yeah, so that or to show the respect to our country, yes. Before the beginning of the any kind of national days, festival, or any kind of programs, formal program, national anthem is sung or played by sitting from our seat to show respect towards our nation or the country, yeah. Okay, now let's have a look to another pride of us.
Ma'am,
Please give
Democracy
identity
Day means
as
Nari
being
Divas.
Nepalese. Okay. No, democracy. Don't you know the democracy day?
Ma'am, the
The seven of the fathers
King
means
Tribhuvan has started,
democracy
yes?
day. Yeah, yes. Our country has become, on that day, our country became free, yes, from the
Yes,
Ranas.
yes. The King Tribhuvan has started this day.
Okay, let's have a look to another national pride of us. Okay. Okay. This time Urza will read. Okay. Urza will read. Okay, Urza.
Yes, ma'am.
Urza, are you listening? Okay, can you read? Even we have already discussed about national flag. Okay, about the national flag of Nepal. Okay, now start.
National flag. Every country has its own national flag. The national flag represents the nation. Our national flag is unique in the world. It has two triangles joining together. The surface is crimson and the border is blue in color. The upper triangles have the symbol of the moon and the lower triangle have the symbol of sun. The meaning of the sun and moon remain in the universe. Our national flag reflects our history, culture, and religion. The red color represents Nepalese courage, and blue color is meant for peace-loving nature of Nepalese.
Okay, thank you, Urza.
Ma'am, this is different from the book.
Okay, yeah, it's quite different, and the sentences are not complete. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for that. Oh, can anybody want of the national flag of Nepal? Do anybody want? Okay, Rugosa, do you want? Do you want to say something about the national flag of Nepal?
Ma'am, I think she's sick.
She is not feeling well.
Yeah.
Next, okay, who wants to please once again? Okay, what is the meaning? What are the meaning of the sun and moon which are placed in our national flag? Can anybody say?
Me.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, now,
Yeah.
I'm written this in my homework.
now please start.
Ma'am, who?
Ma'am, who?
Okay, anybody, I'm not seeing. Please, anybody, please start. And when
Ma'am,
everyone
the
is speaking,
sun
please
and the
mute.
moon of our...
The sun and the moon.
The sun and the moon.
The sun and the moon represent
Moon on our national flag indicates that Nepal will exist as long as the sun and the moon remain.
as long as the moon and the sun remain in the universe.
Ma'am, the sun and the moon represent the hard working of the people of Nepalese.
Ma'am, the sun and the moon
Ma'am.
indicates that
Okay, so the
Nepal
sun and
exists.
moon, the surface or the background is crimson, yeah, in color, and its border is deep blue, yeah, or the dark blue. And the sun and moon represent our country remain or they exist in the universe or in this world until the sun and moon exist in the universe, yeah. And the red color represent the courage of the Nepalese people, and the blue color represents the peace, yeah. Our country is a peace loving country. So, and because of national flag we are known as Nepalese, yeah. So we have proud on our national flag, so we have to proud of it
There is three color, yes?
because it's one of the identity of us, yeah. Whenever we go with national flag of us, it gives the identity of being Nepalese. So It is the pride of us. It is the national pride of us. Okay? Understanding or not? Okay, now let's have a look about another national pride of us. Okay? Okay, do you know okay. Pratistha, do you know anything about Lophophorus?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is taken as the national pride of us? Do you know anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say something about Lophophorus?
Lophophorus is not found in any other country than Nepal. It is very colorful and unique in its style, and it is very beautiful to look at, and it is very different from other birds.
Okay, thank you. Very well. Okay, just now I saw. Okay, Arusi.
Yes, ma'am.
Arusi, why Lophophorus is taken as the national pride of Nepal? Or why should we take it as a national pride? Do you have any idea?
For us, why is Lophophorus taken as our national bird?
Yeah, national bird or the national pride of us?
Because it is beautiful and it is not found except Nepal, and it is a multicolored bird, and it also symbolizes our country in the world.
Yeah, yes, it is the national bird of Nepal, and it is the unique bird of our country. It is not found in other country. Yeah, and because of being the national bird, it is the national pride of Nepal. It is the national pride of us. So we are proud of it. Yeah.